Okay, so the thing is, we are a bit late as per our schedule. It's like 3:55 right now, and we are a bit late. हमें actually हमारे होटल से निकलने में ही थोड़ी देर हो गई. और right now we are in front of the rotating head. It's 4. It should start any moment now. There are so many people waiting for it. Oh, it's starting! It's starting! Hey, what happened to his face?
Somebody punched.
Wait. I think he's looking. No, he's making fun of us.
Okay, let's go.
We have seen him. Like, it doesn't. Like, maybe it looks like hanging, but he's just hanging with his hand. And it's a quite famous place in here, and so many people. Closed. So many people. It's a astronomical clock. It is one of the most. It's the one of the oldest in the world, and it still works.
And it was installed in the 14th century. 1410 is 14th century.
14th century.
1410.
It's like old, so old, but it still works.
Old Jewish Cemetery.
Yeah.
Municipal Library, Old Town.
Yes.
Yeah, Old Town is here. We are perfectly here.
Yeah, library we skipped.
Saw the astronomical clock now, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
So
now
we have a schedule. Actually, we made a schedule that we are trying to follow very strictly.
Yes. So we're gonna skip some part, which is
Maybe
not
it's-
really important.
Yeah, maybe it's covered in the tour.
Yeah, we'll be covering the ghost tour as well because we are planning to go to the cemetery.
Yeah.
But now, so we should use the
We should use a
Tickets.
our
Ticket.
tickets.
24-hour tickets.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So we're gonna take a tram to the castle.
Also,
Even though
there
we
are
need still
Two
need
more
to walk.
people that are not here with us. I don't know where they went.
the rest of the people.
And this is too crowded.
It's too crowded. And
Before we come again tomorrow morning.
yeah, and also since it's Christmas and it's Prague very famous, we feel like we saw some celebrities, but we couldn't confirm if it's them or not. Since
It was, I think.
it like exactly looked like him. He's like
You should have confirmed, bro.
he looked like that rich. He looked like that tall. Exactly him, but we couldn't.
So
meet.
let's walk.
That's a fancy car.
They also have another color. This is for
It goes with your dress. Look at the fancy car. My hand is shaking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we see what is the stamp say?
This is a date
the
and
time,
timing.
Yeah.
Right?
Perfect. All of us are validating the tickets, it seems.
How do you call this check-in?
Validate.
Validating.
Validate. Let's go, guys. This is the Prague metro we are going to take now. It seems good.
Oh, this is
Take picture. You took video.
this is a long one. It's like remind me of Budapest. Like how long they have in Budapest. Like, so long, and this is also long. Hey,
No, not possible. Not possible. It's okay.
1 second.
Did you So aesthetic. We should come here late night, you know.
This
take
train?
the tram. Just take. Oh, let's take the tram late night.
Yeah,
The whole road.
yeah, we will.
And we're not.
Yeah, so finally we are at the right. We are at the right station finally.
Yes. Let's take it from A to C. Oh, I hate this. So scary, dude. Isn't it?
dizzy, it's making
Yes. You cannot look back.
I don't want
Look. Oh my god. No, I'm scared.
Oh, holy shit! It's even,
Oh my-
it's even higher.
Wait.
It's even higher. Why is it? You know,
This is crazy. But this one is too scary.
this one is too steep. So the thing is, we are supposed to go to the bridge. What bridge is it? Charles Bridge. But I
No,
don't-
it's for tomorrow.
Oh, so not today. So
Not
we are.
today. And it will be covered by the tour.
But what do you mean by the tour?
The ghost tour. It will cover Charles Bridge.
The like tonight.
Yes.
Okay. So now we are in
Prague Castle.
Prague Castle, and look at this view.
Oh, they have one viewpoint up there.
It's so good.
They have more viewpoint. I need to buy postcard. Reminds me.
Posted from here or anywhere? Okay. How is the view? So after so much of high walking, like hiking and walking, this is the Prague Castle. It's kind of worth it. It's actually worth it. It's looking really beautiful, don't you think? Yeah. So the person who is staying in our room as well, like that guy said, this is a must. This is a must visit place, and to be honest, it's worth it. So this is now it's our tour guide time. Like it's like a guided tour. It was free when we booked, and it's about ghost. Like ये इतना मुझे पता है कि ये लोग जो ब्रिज है वहाँ पे लेके जाएंगे. उसके अलावा 2-4 और भी जगह दिखाएंगे, और इसके अलावा जो भूतिया वगैरह है वो क्या होगा अभी पता नहीं. Let's see. Yes, please. Close the camera. What? Yeah, so our guide has wore the cloak of the ghost.
Dobrý večer. Dobrý večer. Good evening, as we say in Czech. Or I should say Veselé Vánoce. It means Merry Christmas. 24, 25, 26. These are the most important days in the Czech calendar. All my friends and family think I'm totally insane to be here with you. But someone has to do it, and someone has to take care of you as well. So I'll take care of you for the next 2 hours.
Appreciate it.
Before I run
Thank you
home back
very
to my family. Oops. Yeah, like so. It helps to be so tall because he can reach the lamps. Although he has a tool to help him, it's the stick that he's holding. It slides in and out, it's telescopic, and he's trying to reach the little earring, which is below each of the lamps. It activates who's living there. Very arrogant, vain, egotistical woman. Always she's obsessed with her appearance, picks the finest clothing. When she's finished with the outfit, she puts it to the fire so that nobody can copy her. Always she wants to be center of attention, doing something new, doing something different, right? Now one day, the king sends the notice that he would like to attend also one of these lavish diplomatic parties that she's hosting all the time in this palace. So she prepares everything, clothes, the musicians, the finest food and all that. But one thing is missing from her outfit.
national Czech beer. It's just capitalism.
So this is good proud one.
Yes. The Prout is the newest beer from the brewery what they have.
And what about this one?
Small barrel. With na zdraví, only with the cheers.
Okay. Thank you. Ciao. Na zdraví. Na zdraví, guys. Na zdraví.
We are doing that like
This is different. Do you want this?
तो अभी हम जहाँ पे आए हैं ये यहाँ का एक लाइक आई वुड से जाना माना रेस्टोरेंट ही है और इसका नाम है नासेपू और खाना यहाँ का अच्छा ही है और जर्मनी के मुकाबले बहुत सस्ता है। लाइक हमने जो ऐसा ऑर्डर दिया है और ये यहाँ का ट्रेडिशनल है। हमने जो ऑर्डर दिया है ये अगर हम जर्मनी में ऑर्डर देते तो लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 40 यूरोज आ जाता, बट यहाँ पे 20 यूरो में आ गया पूरा ही, मतलब ऐसे ड्रिंक सब करा के 20 के अंदर ही आया और ये एक्चुअली अच्छा है। It's slowly cooked beef with egg with bread dumplings and some stuff.
Everybody, please attention. Super nice, beautiful. Instagram. Take your best.